Hello everyone, now I'll introduce the framework of our spacecraft to you. First of all, the main beam of our steel pipe is 150 multiplied by 150 by 4.0 thick, but many counterparts would use pipes of 100 by 100 and 100 by 102 to 3.0. We choose a thicker one. Why do we do this? Many people may think we are naive and have too much money. But what is the most important thing in building houses? Safety is very important. If your safety is not in place, there will be glass breakage, and the secondary hoisting will deform the entire spacecraft. Our entire spacecraft is mainly for supply to Europe, where the safety requirements are particularly high. We intentionally switched to a main framework of 150 multiplied by 150 by 4.0 thickness. All our galvanized pipes are hot dip galvanized, including cold dip galvanizing and hot dip galvanizing. Why do we choose hot dip galvanizing? The advantage of hot dip galvanizing is its strong protective ability, with a thick layer of hot dip zinc of 275 grams, while for cold galvanizing it ranges from 40 to 80 grams. That's the main point. Its protective performance is strong as we use hot dip galvanizing.